Crash Course: Discovering Colombia's Indigenous Cultures. Colombia is a country rich in cultural diversity, and its indigenous communities play a significant role in shaping the nation's identity. With over 87 distinct indigenous groups, each with its unique traditions, languages, and customs, Colombia offers a fascinating insight into the rich heritage of its native peoples. In this crash course, we will explore the indigenous cultures of Colombia, sharing captivating stories, examples, and a list of the top 12 indigenous cultures in the country. Interesting stories and examples. 1. The Wayuu people and the legend of the Wale'kerü. The Wayuu people, residing in the Guajira Peninsula, have a fascinating legend called Wale'kerü. According to the legend, Wale'kerü is a guardian spirit that protects the Wayuu people and their livestock. It is believed that when a baby is born, the Wale'kerü spirit visits the family to bless the child and ensure their well-being. This legend reflects the close connection the Wayuu people have with their natural surroundings. 2. The Kogi people and the Lost City. The Kogi people, living in the Sierra Nevada de Santa Marta region, are known for their deep spiritual connection to nature. They believe they are the guardians of the world and have preserved their ancestral traditions for thousands of years. The Kogi people are famous for their knowledge of the Lost City, or Ciudad Perdida, an ancient archaeological site hidden in the mountains. Their wisdom and spirituality have inspired environmental movements and sustainable practices in Colombia. 3. The Mbura Chami people and traditional crafts. The Mbura Chami people have a rich artistic tradition, particularly in the creation of intricate woven baskets and beautiful beadwork. These crafts are not only a means of artistic expression but also a way of preserving their cultural heritage. The Mbura Chami people use natural materials like palm leaves and seeds to create stunning patterns and designs, each carrying symbolic meaning and representing their connection to nature. 4. The Arhuaco people and the Mamo tradition. The Arhuaco people, also residing in the Sierra Nevada de Santa Marta, have a unique spiritual leadership structure. The Mamos, spiritual leaders of the Arhuaco community, play a crucial role in maintaining harmony with the natural world. They are responsible for preserving traditional knowledge, conducting rituals, and guiding their people in matters of spirituality, justice, and social organization. The Mamo tradition highlights the deep respect the Arhuaco people have for their cultural heritage and their sacred lands. 5. The Ticuna people and the Yoy Festival. The Ticuna people, inhabiting the Amazon rainforest, celebrate the Yoy Festival, an important cultural event that showcases their traditions and customs. During the festival, the Ticuna community comes together to perform traditional dances, music, and rituals that honor their ancestors and pay tribute to the natural elements. The Yoy Festival is a vibrant celebration of Ticuna identity, fostering unity and preserving their cultural heritage. Top 12 Indigenous Cultures in Colombia. 1. Wayuu, residing in the Guajira Peninsula, known for vibrant handicrafts. 2. Kogi, living in the Sierra Nevada de Santa Marta, practicing ancestral traditions. 3. Mbura Chami, known for their intricate crafts and traditional rituals. 4. Arhuaco, spiritual leaders in the Sierra Nevada de Santa Marta, preserving cultural wisdom. 5. Ticuna, inhabiting the Amazon rainforest, celebrating the Yoy Festival. 6. Muiscas, ancient indigenous group known for their goldworking skills. 7. NASA, fighting for land rights and cultural preservation in southwestern Colombia. 8. Guam. Llano, residing in the Cauca region, preserving traditional farming techniques. 9. Pastos, known for their weaving skills and agricultural practices. 10. Zenu, skilled artisans famous for their goldwork and pottery. 11. Paez, residing in the mountains of Cauca, renowned for their intricate textiles. 12. Siona, inhabiting the Amazon rainforest, practicing sustainable agriculture and fishing. Summarizing discovering Colombia's indigenous cultures. Colombia's indigenous cultures offer a glimpse into the rich tapestry of traditions, languages, and customs that shape the nation. From the resilient Wayuu people in the arid Guajira Peninsula to the spiritual wisdom of the Kogi in the Sierra Nevada de Santa Marta, each indigenous group contributes to the vibrant mosaic of Colombian heritage. The stories, rituals, and craftsmanship of these communities showcase their deep connection to the land, their ancestral knowledge, and their determination to preserve their cultural identity. Poem, Echoes of Ancestral Wisdom. In the heart of Colombia, a tapestry unfolds. Indigenous cultures, stories untold. From Wayuu's vibrant crafts to Kogi's sacred land. The wisdom of ancestors, forever at hand. The Emperor Chami weave intricate dreams. Nature's colors and patterns, like gentle streams. Arwako Mamo's guide with spiritual light. Preserving traditions, honoring day and night. Tikuna dances echo through the trees. Amazon's heartbeat, carried on the breeze. Muisca's golden treasures, tales of old. A legacy of craftsmanship, more precious than gold. Nasa warriors defend their ancestral ground. Guambiano's farming wisdom, rooted deep in sound. Pasto's weavers spin threads of heritage. Zenu's artisans create art with love and courage. Paez's textiles, threads of vibrant hue. Siona's harmony with nature, forever true. Indigenous cultures, a symphony of pride. Echoing through Colombia, where traditions reside. Song, Colors of Tradition. Verse 1. In the heart of Colombia, where cultures intertwine. Indigenous traditions, a treasure divine. From Wayuu's vibrant colors to Kogi's sacred land. A tapestry of heritage, hand in hand. Chorus. Echoes of ancestral wisdom, in every song we sing. The spirit of Colombia's indigenous bring. Colors of tradition, painting our land. A celebration of heritage, hand in hand. Verse 2. Emperor Chami's woven dreams, tales of nature's grace. Arwako Mamo's guiding with wisdom's embrace. Tikuna's dances in the Amazon's embrace. Muisca's golden treasures, a legacy we trace. Bridge. Nasa's brave warriors, defending their home. Guambiano's farming wisdom, forever grown. Pasto's skilled weavers, threads of tradition spun. Zenu's artisans, crafting beauty under the sun. Chorus. Echoes of ancestral wisdom, in every song we sing. The spirit of Colombia's indigenous bring. Colors of tradition, painting our land. A celebration of heritage, hand in hand. Outro. In Colombia's embrace, indigenous cultures unite. Preserving traditions, shining their light. So let us honor the tapestry we share. Colombia's indigenous, a heritage so rare. ******. Start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link. https://www.booking.com/index.html?8=7989335. It is a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for your kind support of our AnHub Metaverse channel, and please subscribe and watch more interesting videos here.